Oh my
Here we
goodness.
go.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
Over here, over here, over here, okay? Over here.
Well,
Very good, Spider. You just need to concentrate. No worries.
oh no.
Over here, over here.
Hey.
Over
you
here,
going?
over here. Just over here. Over here. Come
No,
on.
Spider, stop
Spider's
it.
smaller than you. Come on. Dinosaur, come on. Go, you got this. You got this. You got this. You got this.
Oh no.
You got this. You got this. You
Almost,
got
Oh
this.
yeah.
You got
Oh yeah.
now. Yes.
Oh.
Yes. At least my tail crosses the line.
Tail crossed the
Tail
line.
cross the line.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Oh no. What's Scorpion doing?
Not this.
I'm gonna get the spider.
Oh my
Here
goodness.
we go.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
Got this. Over here. Over here. Over here. Okay. Over here.
Well,
Very good, Spider. You just need to concentrate. No worries.
oh no.
Over here. Over here.
Hey.
Over
you
here.
going?
Over here. Just over here. Over here. Come
No,
on.
Spider, stop
Spider's
it.
smaller than you. Come on. Dinosaur, come on. Go, you got this. You got this. You got this. You got this.
Oh no.
You got this. You got this. You
Almost,
Oh yeah.
You got
Oh yeah.
now. Yes.
Oh.
Yes. At least my tail crosses the line.
Tail crossed the line.
Tail cross the line.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, Leo's turn.
My turn to try to get the dinosaur across.
Welcome to Cattien World. Today we'll be opening
the
RC T-Rex.
And it also has soft, flexible skin, and it can roar and move.
Watch.
Using
See this
the-
button? Try me. Press.
What's that? See, it's moving and roaring.
Yeah.
We also have a remote control down here, and we can
Ooh, it
control
looks so cool. It
Okay,
looks.
now let's open it. Oh, it's up.
Oh, it's coming out.
Come here.
There we go. Oh.
Watch out, watch out.
Whoa, it's so cool. Oh, this looks like a real cool.
Go. There we go.
Wow, wait, look at
Wow.
this.
So cool, but we need the screwdriver so we can open the
Wait,
back.
this one. Wait, it's
It's stuck, it's stuck. That's why we need a screwdriver.
Okay.
Put it back. Whoa, okay. Whoa.
I'll try that one. It's kind of funny, like when you open a screwdriver out of a cardboard box.
Yeah.
Oh, this one. Oh, the dinosaur tail is off.
There's what else coming off.
Ooh. Guess something fell.
Aw.
Wow.
So, wait, you know what? Okay, now we're putting tail on.
Wow. So cool.
Whoa. Oh, it's like just like a real dinosaur. God's wait for his lunch. Oh no, okay, no.
Oh, at least there's no blood.
Whoa.
Aw, so cute. Its head is made of like soft.
Let me feel the head. Wow.
Soft, huh?
It's so soft. And its body is like this. That's the roaring button. Now we just move.
Over here, over here. Wait, how did he turn?
You just naturally turn.
Whoa, you can see. Whoa, looks like a real dinosaur.
And now we'll be playing the first game where the T-Rex tries to reach this line, and he will win if he reaches this line.
Not this.
I'm gonna get the spider.
Oh my
Here we
goodness.
go.
Oh my goodness.
Oh yeah.
You got this. Over here, over here, over here, okay? Over here.
Well,
Very good, Spider. You just need to concentrate. No worries.
oh no.
Over here, over here.
Hey. Where's he going?
Over here. Just over here. Over here. Come
No,
on.
Spider,
Spider's
stop it.
smaller than you. Come on. Dinosaur, come on. Go, you got this. You got this. You got this. You got this.
Oh
You got this. You got this. You
Almost,
got
Oh
this.
yeah.
You got
Oh, yeah.
this. Now. Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. At least my tail crosses the line.
His tail crossed the
Tail
line.
cross the line.
Oh my god.
Okay, Leo's turn.
My turn to try to get the dinosaur across again.
See, you gotta trust in
I
your
believe in my dino.
Here we go.
I only need to scream.
Okay.
No roaring. Just walk it. Reach it all across. Oh no. What's he doing? What's the scorpion doing? Oh yeah. I like that. Hey, stop pulling me away.
Oh yeah.
Stop this. I'm getting dragged.
Oh yeah.
I
Yeah.
need to be stronger. I need to move.
I can press the button. And that's all I need.
I'll win this.
Oh, if your tail goes out, you lose.
No.
Yes!
No, not yet.
Not yet, not yet.
Not yet. Not
Oh
yet.
yeah, but you're going backwards now.
Oh no. Hey, turn me around.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
This fight will go on forever. I'll start roaring and make you scared.
No, I'm not. You're not gonna make me scared. Come on, you got this, Scorpion.
Spider-Man and Scorpion at the
But I'm still trying to turn around and go to
Yeah.
home. You're trying to stop me from going to my home.
Come on. Come on.
He's stuck. Make him turn around. Oh yeah. Oh, turn around. And you win. I'm actually stuck. I'm not strong enough.
Spider, I need your help.
Wake Spider up.
I'm trying.
Turn him.
He's not working. Come on, you got this. You got this.
I think this might be a stalemate.
I'm
We're not
out.
winning. And we can't move.
Still do it.
No, because Spider is stuck in the middle, so he can't move.
Oh yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
Oh no!
You're